Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my cooking channel Home Style Cooking. I hope you all are well. So today I am going to show you how to make super crispy and delicious potato balls, perfect for snack parties or even tea time. These are easy to make with simple ingredients and taste absolutely amazing. So let's get started. 3 boiled potatoes, chili flakes हाफ टी स्पून, लाल मिर्चें कुटी हुई, जीरा पाउडर हाफ टी स्पून, सॉल्ट नमक हाफ टी स्पून, रेड चिली पाउडर लाल मिर्च हाफ टी स्पून, चिकन पाउडर हाफ टी स्पून, ब्लैक पेपर काली मिर्च हाफ टी स्पून, all purpose flour 3 tablespoon, corn flour 3 tablespoon, now mix everything really well until it forms a soft dough. Grease your hand with oil. Take a small portion of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Make sure you don't miss any part of the video. Follow it step by step for perfect result. Fry them on medium heat until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove them from the oil. Your crispy potato balls are ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed making the delicious recipe. That's it for today. Potato balls. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.